digital gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy. That's where it's at. Piper Academy. This is the Trade Academy portion of Piper Academy, the TA portion. So here we go. Make sure to smash the likes if you haven't already. Smash the likes. And a 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo, bango. Bingo, bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Some here know me as Tradester Joe or TI Joe. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Let's get started with the show. First thing we want to do is we want to look at the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles on the daily are looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. 16%, 16.7 for AR, 17.9, 13, 11.4. Numbers are looking okay. They're looking pretty good. Jasmine, 26.7%. Get out of here, Jasmine. OM, 21.8%. These are on the daily. How is the hourly looking? Ooh, not so good. Not so good. But is it because of Bitcoin? Well, let's find out. Let us find out. We got 33 in the house. What's up, 33? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. Oh, not the one I wanted to do. Move that one there. Maybe I should lock that. Lock it. This one is the one I want to. Come down, Obita. All right. Let's see here. Who else do we got? We got Jesse in the house. What's up, Jesse? Jesse was first. Jesse was first. Jesse was the winner for today. Hats off to you, my friend. So easy answer relating to the discussion, the question of the day. Very important question, guys. A very important question. This question was needed to determine, well, the crypto market. I believe so. I believe so. Here we go. Next up, we have Golden Wolf. What's up, man? Good afternoon from Seattle, USA. Yes. Tell you what, guys, non-financial advice here, but what I do is I just break stuff down in the most simplistic way, because that's how I learn. That's how I understand this stuff. I make it really, really easy to enter and exit trades. Sometimes some people think it's too easy. Well, it works. And if you use indicators, like 30 of them, and you have all these diagrams and everything else, and it works for you, keep on doing it. Do whatever's making you money. That's what I say. Let's see here. We got Robert in the house. What's up, Robert? Appreciate you, man, being here. Let's see here. We got Rosh in the house. What's up, Rosh? Man, appreciate you. See here, T.I. Joe, my F.A. No. I read it. I'm wrong, Jeremy. I'm telling you right now, guys. Oh my gosh. Ron Jeremy? How'd that name get in? Ron Burgundy. The wrong Ron, I guess. I tell you, I'm gonna stop with that one. But let's go here. Golden Wolf says, come on, keep dumping. So I was in a short on my stream. We entered a short here. Was it here? Here, let's see here. Who was over your stream last night? It was a long one. I pop in and out. I don't remember. And sometimes I'll just like let them run as I'm doing my charts and my other stuff. Yeah. Let's see here. But we ended up going short here. And then it was coming down. As it started coming up, I moved to my stop loss and profit in very little money. Thinking the price may come up to around here to come down. It ended up coming up to here to our VWAP, coming down, coming back up, down. If it breaks this level, I mean, this is our zone right now. So first, it was looking like it wanted to dump. And if we kind of zoom out to make it just a little bit easier, this is what we're looking at. We had, of course, this dump, up, down, and then here it looked like it was losing strength, looked like it was going to roll over. And it said, nope, broke this level, started coming up, down, up, and now it's creating all this liquidity right here. Doesn't mean that it has to take it, but it can. Yeah. I knew one day that was going to happen. And sure enough, right now, it's not looking strong. You know, we do have this level of selling pressure. Do I have some more? Yeah. We have levels of selling pressure. So we go to a higher time frame, it's a little easier to see. All these wicks kind of bodies, it's creating this zone right in here. So right when we entered it, it's like, it's not looking too good. It may come down. And if it does, and it's always a if and or statement. If this happens, we do this. If this happens, then we do this. Right now, it tried coming up, coming down, got some strength, went up to our resistance zone, and now starting to come down. And then now what is it going to do? So let's go to a lower time frame. Just kind of see what we see. Down. So here it was losing strength, lower highs. Then we broke this high, showing strength, but then we broke this low. Not good. And right, I think it's just playing with us right now. I really don't want to see it range here. I just want to see it drop. Either drop or pump. Do one or the other. You know, forget this liquidity down here. Pump, be in this area, and then to the moon. We'll see. Smash the like. It's free. Yes. Here. So here, going down the list. Very good. Swift and XCN. Okay, so we haven't looked at XCN for a little bit. Swift and XCN. Okay, very good. I got those down. Excuse me. Sorry about that. We'll get in those in just a moment. Just a moment. All right. So that is that one. All right. Now, where do I think Bitcoin's gonna go? Well, I'll tell you what. Let's cheat. Let's put on our indicators. And this is the right. These are the indicators from Chart Prime. Chart Prime on the 5-minute saying bearish, but everything else is looking bullish. The 15-minute, 60-minute, 4-hour, 12-hour, and daily time frame is looking bullish to Chart Prime. It is above our lines. We're in this zone. It's cloud. It doesn't mean that it can't go further up. The cloud will just adjust. Here we can see this. And the thing with indicators, they can always change. They react to the price action. So if this starts coming up, well, then this will start coming up, and then everything else will start going up. These will start going up. They just react. But it's a good indication to kind of see where your potential zones are at. And then also if it's above, certain things. In this case, these lines. Everything's screaming bullish except for 5-minute. Okay, let's go and take this off again. Let's go to the 5-minute. Just so we can look at it again. Now we're going to look at those charts in just a moment. Put this here. Yeah, for me to go short, I would need to cross this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put an alert here. And I'm just going to say short, question mark, create. Ooh, I want to front run it. So I have a $25 challenge doing leverage. It was a $10 challenge, and 2 days later, I was like, let me announce it. So the $10 turned into 25. The 25 turned into 33. And then last night I was trying to front run. So like stuff like this, I was short, very high leverage. It would come down, break below, and then come back up. And then it's like, dang it. So there was quite a few trades that I lost. So now I'm down to like $20, I think. So we'll see. See how that goes. Ondo. Okay. Ondo. And what's you have to give me the tickers. Don't give me the name for Onyx coin. Onyx. Oh, I guess that's the name of it. There's another one I always get that one confused with. Okay. Very well. Got those down as well. All right. So let's go and get started. I do like this as a short. And on my last stream, they're like, well, where are your targets at? Well, first, when we broke this, my first target was here. But now my target would be, well, shoot, man. I don't want to do that one. So about here, my first target. We'll see. I knew it. Knew it. XCN. So XCN. That's Onyx coin? Okay. Got it. Knew it. All right. Good stuff. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at. So this one was done. I don't know if it was on my channel or on this channel, but it's AR. I think it was on my channel earlier. So AR was asked for. This one we would have to wait about 40% for the alert to go off. Besides that, it's too risky. Just because we have lower highs, lower lows, and it's not wise to enter now to make that extra 40% because this could easily do something like this. And then now, how long are you waiting? And then it does this. How long are you waiting? So I would just, check on it every so many days. All right. So the first one is Swift, SWIFT, USDT. Did I put that in right? Okay, so I'm not going to look at this one unless you tell me that it's on a DEX, and it's extremely important to give me that ahead of time, because if not, it slows up the channel. XCN is Onyx coin. Let's look at, I believe, did we do KuCoin or MEXC? Okay. So this one, it has been going up. Do I still like this coin? Nope, sure don't. Why not? Because it keeps on, because Jessica keeps on bringing it up. Nope, not because of that. I just don't like the coin. Can you make money off of this? Yes. Why? Yeah, because it's a low market cap coin. And for whatever reason, it's being pumped by somebody. And the people who are buying, in my opinion, they're putting in money that's making the market, the order book move. Joe, you're being hard-headed. It already went up like 1,000%. If you want to, you can enter this coin. I don't. This is on January 17th, so it's going to come down. I was obviously wrong. Came up and kept on coming up. And from the second time that it was brought up, it's been brought up a lot of times, but this one's 300%. So you can add 500% and 300%. So we'll just say 900 because of the extras. But I don't like this coin. Why don't I like this coin? Well, I'll tell you why. It's not just because, I'm trying to stick to my guns. No, I don't like the coin. XCN. What does this coin do? It's a 1.1 billion? How? Maybe I'm thinking of this. Maybe I'm thinking of another coin. Maybe it was 1 point something million, like 160 million, and then now it's billion. Anyway, go to the website. I don't remember. I don't know what it does. Decentralized Web3. Okay. If you're in this coin, I strongly recommend taking profits. Oh, that's right. They did a lot of posts and it was a lot of engagement. I think. I mean, people are following them. Nice engagement. I don't know what it does. This stuff is too smart for me. Tell me what you do. Don't tell me Web3. Tell me what you do. We're building Web3. Very vague. I don't like it. Can you make money off of it? Sure. Very obvious. People are making money. It's on a lot of exchanges, which is good. The volume, I guess. Volume is good. I mean, Kraken's doing nice. KuCoin's doing nice. Nextine, not so much. Gate.io is doing nice, which is surprising because normally Gate.io is on the lower part of the totem pole, and you usually have like KuCoin or the bigger exchanges. So that's actually surprising. That's all I got. It was dead. And for whatever reason, I don't know if it's Telegram groups or whatever Discord groups, but they're pumping it. So can you make money off of this? Yes, 100%. I still don't like it. I mean, it'd be different if it said, you know, we partnered with such and such, we're doing this and that. I didn't see any of that. If you look at the previous price history, these candles are nothing. Like nobody's buying it. No, like nobody's buying this coin. The bots are just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Then they get somebody who doesn't know how to read an order book, and then they get this, boom. And then boom. Because I guarantee it, I'm willing to bet, I have $14 in my account. I'm willing to bet my entire $14 that this was due to a Telegram or Discord pump groups, or somebody on Twitter saying that this is going to do a 20x or whatever, and you get all these new people who, oh, let me buy it, and then they buy it because it's such a low market cap. It does this. For that reason, I don't like it. Can you make money? Sure. Mentioned that multiple times. I don't like it. This one, I think, I am surprised though. I'm surprised that it didn't dump here. But those same Telegram groups may be continuing to pump it. And because it was such a small market cap coin that it continued to go. I don't know. I'll do a setup on this, but I wouldn't advise it. Break of this level right here. Again, not financial advice, but me personally, I've seen these thousands and thousands and thousands of times. Can it make you money? Yes. Do I like it? No. Because I've seen so many victims of people who buy into coins like this. Again, it'd be completely different if it said that it's doing X, Y, and Z. I don't see it. Oh, I'm not going to do that. You would want to set an alert. To me, in my opinion, this is a pump group. Set alert. Set alert right there. That number. You can enter it. But I don't like this coin. 100% hands down. Hands down. See here. Going in the list. Going in the list. Nancy 33 says, yo, Joe, or Jesse, Bitcoin, how long until back up to 105? Got stuck. 105. We're at 105. Are you in a long right now or something? For me, it's really dangerous doing a long right now. The only way I would do a long is if it breaks this level and then retest in here. So if it broke this level, then did a retest, then I would enter. But this, just it coming down here is not a retest. It coming up here is not a retest. Once it breaks this, it's an official retest. That's when I go long. But right now it's extremely high risk to go long. I mean, you could, I mean, it might work for you if you're in that long where it does this number. Possible. But you have a higher likelihood that it's going to come down. Just because it did this, this, and now it's kind of losing its momentum. Where it kind of does like that. Creating this big old bulb. But I could be wrong. But if it breaks this level right here, I'm looking at this. And then I'm looking at this. Gosh darn it. Look at these areas. But we don't know though. We won't know until it does something, because right now, I mean, it could go up and down, create a range again. But yeah. Let's see here. I've actually flipped a truck. Taking a little siesta. I was like, you know what? This drive is very comfortable. I've had like a sleep. Let me just rest my eyes just for a little bit. Boom, flip the truck. Not good. Not good. So Jesse says it might take 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours, I guess, to break a level. Sure. So here, too late, trying to get out. Yeah, so I'm actually looking for a short. And like I said, we entered a short here. And then we exited, I believe, here. We moved our stop loss. And then I've been watching it. Okay. K Diggity says, how dare anybody choose anything but ribs? I do like them ribs. I love them, especially when you get the bone and then all you have is the bone. Like super, super tender. I also like steak too. Not gonna lie. So here, this is rib chat, not steak chat. Get that steak out of here. Let me see some ribs in the chat. Let me see some ribs in the chat. Let's get that rib chat going. You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. I choose ribs for sure. Okay. Here. Going to the list. Okay. Username. Toaster. I just showed the police my trading helmet and they apologized to me for my speed. Nice. See, not only does username get participation ribbons, but he also gets a warning from the police or just an apology. So, very nice. I can just see it going to username to his room, not his house, his room. And it's like, what kind of wallpaper is that? And username says, that's not wallpaper. Those are my participation ribbons. I love it. Oh, I love it. Let's see here. Moving down the list. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. All right. So let us see. Let's do Ondo is next, I believe. Yeah, but this one, I don't like it, man. This just screams scam to me. Like, and maybe I just have a sour taste in my mouth being scammed so many times by coins like this and people who posted coins about this. I have a very disdain taste in my mouth because of this. And yes, it's making people money. Any coin can make you money. But I do not like this coin, period. It brings back so many memories. So many memories. Now, here's the alert you got to set in order to enter. But I don't like it. Ondo. Let's look at Ondo. Let's get to happier. Let's get to a happier place. For me, anyway. Mexi. It says Ondo and Mexi, we're about to hit our alert. I would expect it to come down. If I was looking for a short-term trade, which I am, I would like to do a short on Ondo right now. It needs to break this level for me to do a short. It needs to break that level right there. It looks very short worthy. Extremely short worthy. I'm very eager to get into a trade. So we have Bitcoin for a short here. We have Ondo for a possible short here. Yeah, so for this one, you still need to wait for the alert right here. So make sure to write that down. And then the 4-hour candle needs to close above this. Oh, I don't like those numbers. There. It needs to be above that level. All right. Let me go to a 5-minute time frame. Maybe we can get to a short on this one. Once it breaks this level. Let's put an alert. Short. Okay. I'm really liking this one. See, but I got in trouble because I was front running. I lost a lot. Well, it's a $25 challenge, and I lost money. I want two shorts. Okay, we're going to the other one in just a second. Where's my 30? Oops. So I have my 9 SMA. Oh, I don't even need these on. Okay. We're under my 30. Darn it. We're under my 30, my 50, and my 9 SMA on the 5-minute time frame. Man, that one's looking so good for a short. You know what? I'm going to go for it. I'm going to do a short. So let's do Ondo shorts. Let's see, Ondo. So this one, I had it at $10, brought it up to $25. then $33. And then I took that $33, put it all the way down to 20, then 15, I think. And then now I'm at 19. Boring. Boring. So we're going to do short. We're going to do dumb leverage. 47. Why not? This is degen style. This is not like regular trading style. I'll give you all heads up. I would not recommend following this. Okay, I can do that. Short that. Okay, short. Okay, so the most I can lose is $1. I got my stop loss right here. Super, super tight. We'll see. All right. This I'll put over here. And then we'll follow it. Small left, this one. Do I have another one? Did we do this last time? Small left. Let's go ahead and add display existing small box. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Of course, stop that. Stop loss is really close. Let's see. And if I get stopped out, then we'll do a more reasonable thing. All right. Okay, going to do the list. Next one we're going to do, so Ondo, we got to wait. Any other coins, guys? Going down the list, Jesse says, we're getting hungry again. Yeah, that survey doesn't help. Survey does not help one bit. Okay. Okay, going to the list. Whole bunch of checks. Love it. Okay, so I think I'm caught up. Oh, Sui. Okay. Let's do some Sui. YouTube. Okay, Arweave. Yeah, we looked at Arweave already. That was at the very beginning. That was like 3 charts ago. That was requested on last stream on my show. So we went over that one really quick. So USDT. Let's see. 4 hour. Went right into our zone. Didn't come down though, which kind of surprising. So the price was here when we're looking at it. Right now, same thing, where we've actually have 2 different zones. We have this little tiny zone, then this larger zone. It's kind of like more of nothingness, or like kind of almost, I kind of treat it like a gap. Went right up to our zone, right where that gap is at. Now starting to come down. I wouldn't be surprised to see this come down to about here, 3.9728, before possibly continuing up. I think now is this change of the trend. And here we were just discussing that you don't want to enter till it breaks the high. Breaks the high. Here it broke a high. And this was just an example, but this is actually the break of the high that was created. So this is when you would actually enter. But because of this pump, we have a very, very strong chance of it coming down. Unlike my coin that I just entered, which is now about to get liquidated. No, not liquidated, just stopped out. Dollar down the drain. Come on. Much easier to make $1 when you have a whole bunch of them. Very hard to make $1 when you have $1. Here. But this is what I would look forward to right here. Okay. See here, the next one. We'll look at that one really quick since we have time. What was that coin again? AR, I think. AR, USDT. Weave. Yeah. So this one I'd wait. I mean, it's doing good right now, but I would wait till this. And the only reason is because we're doing the lower highs and it could fake us out. I mean, this looks really great. Man, this looks so great. But it's just straight up. It has to come down. So if it does this, let's just say at the 200 SMA comes down to about here and then comes up. Well, then now, if you wanted to, you could enter here. And then the next break would have to be this one. Because right now we haven't changed the trend yet. We're still in this downtrend. This might be the potential of the start of the uptrend. But it definitely needs to retrace. I mean, this was, how big is this move? From the bottom to here, 26%. I'm thinking like 85. But yeah, let's just see it retrace and then come up. And then now it creates this pivot. So then now our thought process changes. And then now we can enter here. But if it was doing stuff like this, we don't want a break of this type of pivot. We want a very clear, distinguished, went up, stopped the momentum, came down, stopped the momentum. These are the pivots we're looking for. We're not looking for this. This is ugly. This is ugly. This is ugly. So this whole little box is ugly. You don't want to buy the break of this. You want to buy the break of a pivot. So this comes down, comes up, you buy that pivot. Yeah. Let's see here. Uh, 33. I gotta read comments before I post them. Okay, going down the list. Oh, INJ. We haven't done, I don't think we've done that one in a while. INJ, USDT, MXC. Okay. Pretty much same scenario. Nice zone that it's in. Kind of hard to see. But we have this zone, this range that it's been in. These were lower entries that we had. So we had high, lower high, lower high, lower high, broke this level. Not good. Came down to our pretty much buy zone. Didn't hit it though. And this is more of an investment type trade. But if you're looking just for a straight up trade, that's different. Possible. I was going to say, I would like to see it come up a little bit more. I'm going to still do it. Come up a little bit more. Come down in here. come back up. He doing this last one. Pretty soon, I mean, it's all going to be straight up with little retracements. Come down to about here. And then maybe possible. When would I enter? That's the question. See, we had a fake out here. We had a fake out here, a lower fake out. Man, but I hate waiting. That's the biggest problem. Like, we have to wait. 25%. And again, it just all depends if you're trying to do an investment or an actual trade. He's getting close. Getting really close. Oh, y'all just need that. Can you see all of it? Oh, it's moved over. That's why. Okay, now I think y'all can see all of it. Okay. Yeah, I do think it's going to come down. Right now, it's just so difficult. It really is. It depends on the mindset you have. Trader, investor. Investor, I buy now. Put a lower entry, 30%. Set it, forget it. Boom, done. Trader, I would. What's the percentage? From here, 6%. Oh wait, let me see. I don't know. These coins, I mean, they're reacting a lot with Bitcoin right now. And if Bitcoin comes down, I just hate waiting all that time, though. You know what? I wouldn't do a trade on this one. I'll just do an investment. I didn't right now. Put a lower bid, 30%. Call it done. If you did, gosh darn it, stopped out. Ouch. Lost $1. My only dollar. If I need to gain more, so here's the dilemma I'm having. I need this to show me it wants to go up, because right now it's not showing me. And what I would have to do is I'd have to set an alert way up here. 32%. I know it's high, but I don't want to see this coin until my alert goes off. Because I'm just afraid that it's going to do this again. I can actually do it there. And the 4-hour candle needs to close above this white line. See here. I need some sleep. AVAX. Okay. Get some AVAX. And none of these coins are rating. So I mean, there's of course different traders do different things. I'm in the mindset of being safe due to being entering in coins. Bitcoin keeps on coming down. We have a lower entry at 30%. It hits and then it goes down another 30%. Like, do you want to be? Do you only want to do that like a few times? It's kind of zoom in because I mean it's all just lower highs. It broke this low. It really needs to like continue to bounce here. I don't like this market structure. I don't like these candles just up, 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 and then up, up more, and then barely come down. Like these candles, they look very suspicious, big time. And then took it all back. And here's like, this is ugly. The reason it's ugly is because there's no nothing. It's just these candles, they almost look the same, just print, 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 and then dump again. I don't like how these candles look. The size of the candles, the wicks of the candles, it looks very manipulated. Look at this, very manipulated. Me personally, I don't know what it is. Well, I pretty much explained what it was, but I don't like this coin. Period. I don't like how the candles are looking. Very manipulative. I mean, I normally see manipulation like this on market caps of under 600 million. And I know that this one is no 600 million. Yes, I think so. AVAX. 14.2 billion. But it's representing a market cap of under 600 million with this and how it just looks. I don't like it. It's very fishy. No, thank you. But if you're going to enter this, man, just the break of this one. I mean, because even if you did buy the break of this one and it goes up, what's to stop it from doing another lower high, which it's been doing? I don't like it. All right, so we did that one for you. Okay. We did Arweave, INJ. We did SUI. See, the Dusty Hunt says Apple Beat. Don't know what that is, but I'm gonna say yes. Going down the list. Okay. INJ spot is killing me. Bought that instead, submit XRP. And XRP was still 80%. It happens. Speaking of it happens. It's coming down now. Thanks. I was trying to do a front run. And that's how I lost like all those dollars was from front running. You think I would change my tune? I said nope. Let me try one more time. So here. Wait, 18 more minutes to enter. Enter what? XRP, INJ, Ondo. As I look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, 18 more minutes. Possible. See, Golden Wolf says, how do I open more than one tab on exchange to trade another coin? You right click the tab and you say open new tab or duplicate new tab. So all you do is you right click the tab and you go duplicate. That way it keeps you in the exchange. Okay. Let's see here. Going to the list. Monthly liquidations are in play. Interesting. You're way behind the chat, Joe. Yeah. That's what happens when I'm doing this, and then I go and I look at the chat, catch up, and do this, and then do that. So yeah. We figured it out, Joe. Don't worry about it. Oh, sorry. Looking at SOI. Never heard of that one. I don't think. SOI. USDT. Solana? Maybe? Possible? Let me know if that's the one you want. That was said 9 minutes ago. While I cry about Bitcoin chops. Do you want more coins? Not really. I mean, if you want something to look at it, we can look at it. But we got like 4 minutes left. We got 4 minutes left. Solana. Yeah, we're at the end of the show. Right now, we're just kind of home from work. Very nice, French toaster. Very, very nice. How's our Ondo looking? Ooh, good thing I didn't rush into that short again. I would have definitely got liquidated again. Not liquidated, stopped out. I got to wait for this for my short. And I got to wait for this for my short. Turbo. Man, this I was looking at last night, early in the morning. And it was above my VWAP. And I'd enter and it would come down and I'll close it because I'm doing like 74x leverage. Then it would break above it. I would enter and it would come back down. It's like 75-cent loss. Nope. Close it. Then it come up and then finally here is like it broke out. It broke out. I opened it. It started coming down. Lost like 50 cents. I closed it. And then I stepped away for like a minute, literally a minute. I come back and boom. And then just kept on. I just watching it. It's like, man, that's like 6% at 74x leverage. Could have made back my $2. $2. A bingo bango. A bingo and a bango. Oh, I forgot. Bingo in a bank. But I'm very interested in entering Hondo for a short. We'll see. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. You guys have been you've been fantastic, superb, phenomenal, outstanding. We do this every single day at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We show you, of course, the trading. And if I lose, I don't make excuses. It didn't work out. You know, there's no, let me look at the 13-minute time frame. Let me look at the 74-hour time frame. How about the 3.5 minute and the 7 3/4 minute time frame? Oh, there was divergence. I don't do that. I lost. No risk management. Have a stop loss. Only trade with money you can are willing to lose. No excuses here. All right, guys. I do thank you very much. We will see you next time. Make sure to tune into all the other channels or all the other streams that we have. The stuff that's been going up top. Make sure to check those out. I do thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us again on Piper Academy. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.